Hi guys, today we are going to create this
before and after using in this preset. Here example photos.
First go to light. Exposure negative 0.10. Contrast negative 20. Highlights negative 100. Shadows plus 100. Whites negative 100. Blacks negative 56. Next go to curve. Follow these steps. Now go to color. Temp plus 10. Tint plus 10. Vibrance negative 10. Now go to max. First go to red color. Hue negative 45. Luminance plus 12. Go to yellow color. Hue negative 10. Saturation negative 16. Luminance plus 12. Go to yellow color. Hue negative 100. Saturation negative 100. Luminance negative 12. Now go to green. Hue negative 100. Saturation negative 100. Luminance plus 12. Go to aqua color. Hue negative 80. Saturation negative 100. Luminance negative 71. Go to blue color. Hue negative 46. Saturation negative 100. Luminance negative 71. Go to purple color. Saturation negative 60. Go to magenta color. Saturation negative 60. Next go to effect. Clarity plus 20. Vignette negative 24. Midpoint plus 30. Feather plus 85. Now go to split tone. Shadow. Hue 336 and saturation 6. Next go to detail. Sharpening plus 16. Noise production plus 30. Contrast plus 15. Color noise reduction plus 15. And finish.